Hi there, I'm Cheryl from AIW. Thank you for joining me. So in a previous video, I showed you how to do some great breathing with one of these. But I'm going to show you another skill, another simple breathing technique that you can use if you don't have one of these. Hey, welcome back. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to do a great breathing technique if you don't have one of those open and closing bally things that I think are called Hohmann spheres, but I'm not sure. Okay, so what you can do is you can just grab your hands like this and you can form that shape. So you're breathing in, breathing out. Again, something you can model if a child is very stressed or anxious. We don't need to be using any words because they cannot hear you. It's really important that you always remember they cannot hear you at that point. Once the child has hit crisis point, they can't hear you. You're wasting your breath. You're getting anxious yourself. There's no point. So we're just breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. The other great thing with this breathing technique is you can pretend that if there's something been going on, if somebody has really annoyed them or a situation has made them really cross, you take that thought, take it, put it in your hand, imagine a little mini version of it, cup your hands together, you breathe in, and then you have a funny voice in your head, I squash you, and you're squashing it and you're pushing it in. Again, you're getting that proprioceptive input, you're getting a good squeeze, which helps with regulation. And you've got that funny little voice in your head. Bit of humor can often just break a situation down. So we're taking that thought, that person, that situation, that word somebody said no to me. I'm going to put it here. It's there. Take our hands, breathing in. I'll squash you. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Taking those negative thoughts and feelings, put them in the hand. We're squashing them down. Again, a lot of autistic children, they might want to verbalize what they are really thinking about that person or that situation. And quite often when this happens in school, so a child might say, I'm going to kill you, or I'm going to kill them. And everyone panics. They're just words. They're not going to act on them. They are just words, and we need to remember that. And what we can be saying to children is, just because you think it in your head doesn't mean you should say it out loud, because it can upset people. But here's a strategy you can use. You can think things in your head, but we're not going to act on them. We're going to breathe. We're going to regulate ourselves down. So that's my tip for today. Bring that heart rate down, dealing with those stresses. So we're breathing in, breathing out. Any negative feelings, we're acknowledging them, we're putting them in our hand, and we're squashing them away, getting that proprioception up the arms and across the shoulders. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.